It is rightly said, save the rest for the best. Hi, welcome to the channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today we are going to make an interesting chocolate recipe. Ingredients for the recipe. So in this recipe we have used 1 tablespoon of corn flour, then 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida, 1.5 tablespoon of icing sugar, half teaspoon of red chili, half teaspoon of cinnamon, rosemary as per your own taste, some butter, sesame seeds 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoon as per your own taste, chocolate, we have used 1 full chocolate, and we have used 3 bananas. Now we are going to make a thick batter. So we have used corn flour, all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili. So this is the batter, and this is the consistency of the batter. We have used 2 teaspoons of castor sugar in it, and now we are going to fry the banana. So now we are going to fry the bananas. Here we are using medium flame. So these are the fried bananas in which we have used cinnamon and red chili. So now twist of taste. So we are now adding some butter and rosemary in it. Preparation of chocolate sauce. We are using indirect method of melting chocolate. Now we have coated the melted chocolate on the bananas that we have fried. We have also used the rosemary butter in it, and we also used chocolate syrup in this. Now we are going to dust icing sugar, red chili and cinnamon mixture over it, and we are also using some sesame seeds over it. Now we are dusting some icing sugar mixture. Food for thought. कुछ different मीठा हो जाए. Happy World's Chocolate Day. A quick recap. First, make a corn flour and all-purpose flour batter. Add a little bit of red chili and cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of icing sugar to it. Now dip the bananas in the mixture and deep fry it. Let it cool down. Preparation of chocolate mix. Add butter in a non-stick pan and add rosemary. Saute for 1.5 minutes. Keep it aside. Now strain the rosemary with the help of sieve and add it into the chocolate mixture. Pour it over banana, ice it with the cinnamon, red chili and icing sugar mix. Finally sprinkle toasted sesame seeds on the top of it. Keep it in the freezer for 30 minutes after keeping it aside for 5 minutes. Happy World's Chocolate Day once again. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment and share the video. Thank you.